And here we have the finished product of the Habanero Passionfruit salsa. So the consistency of the salsa should be kind of like heavy cream or something like that. And you want to boil your habaneros and onions and garlic because they blend up smoothly. So what you're going to use is added to this the garlic, the onions, and the habaneros. You drain all the water off of them, put them in the blender cup. This is like a ninja cup for doing smoothies. You'll use 40 grams of white wine vinegar, whatever brand, 39 grams of kosher salt, 159 grams of just white distilled vinegar. So you can use, if you don't have white wine vinegar, that's fine. You can use regular white vinegar or vice versa. 11 grams of sugar, and then the 45 grams of passion fruit pulp, which if there's a Mexican grocery store near you, this is the brand that I use. Just a passion fruit pulp. It's frozen, kind of like an icy a popsicle or something. Anyway, so you take your habaneros, garlic cloves, white onions, and if you can't figure out what translucent means, if your habaneros are sitting in the pot, when they're done, if you go to grab them with a set of tongs and you go to pick it up, you can't pick it up by the stem. The stem will pull off and the habanero will stay in the pot. Remember to take your cloves out as soon as they're garlic cloves out as soon as they're soft. You don't have to peel them first before you boil them, but once they're done boiling, you pull them out and you can take the peeling off of them easy. All this in the blender, all this in the blender, and puree it. So, you know, plus or minus 8 habaneros or whatever kind of pepper you want, depending on how hot you want it. Of course, the same thing with any of these. Anyway, it's pretty spicy. I like taking it, maybe mixing it 50-50 with a little bit of with Caesar dressing or blue cheese dressing or something like that. Pour it over a salad. Anyway, it's good stuff. Let me know what you think.